price of CRO coin has absolutely plummeted, and in this video I'll take you through the reason for the drop. Just before I do though, keep in mind that crypto more broadly is a volatile asset class, so it's important that you do your own research before investing. One of the world's most popular digital assets, CRO coin, the native token of the Crypto.com exchange, has fallen off a cliff. Over the past 30 days, it's fallen from a high of just over 48 US cents on April 5 to its point at the time of writing on May 3 of just 28 cents, representing a drop in value of approximately 30%. Concerningly, 28% of the loss of value has occurred over just the past 7 days. Such a steep decline in the short period is primarily due to Crypto.com's announcement that they would be reducing the reward rates for users of their Crypto.com debit cards. In an email sent to cardholders on Monday, the exchange stated that changes to the reward scheme would come into effect from June 1 in order to ensure the long-term sustainability of the project. As a result, there are massive changes to the CRO rewards percentages. From lowest to highest card returns, Midnight Blue will shift from 1% to 0%, Ruby Steel, which requires a $500 stake, will reduce from 2% to 0.5%, Royal Indigo and Jay Green, which require a $5,000 stake, will see a reduction from 3% to 1.5% with an active stake. Icy White and Frosted Rose Gold CRO cards, which require a $50,000 stake, have also dropped from 5% to 3% with an active stake, and the Obsidian card, the top-tier Crypto.com debit card, requiring a $500,000 stake, has now dropped from 8% in returns to 5% with an active stake or 2% without the active stake. Not only that, caps have also been applied to a number of cards. For Ruby Steel, despite the amount of spending, users will only be able to recuperate a maximum of $25 US in CRO rewards each month. For the next tier, Royal Indigo and Jay Green, holders will be capped at $50 per month. The decision has had massive ramifications for the value of the coin. Investors had been flocking to the project following a series of high-profile sponsorship tie-ins with the Formula One, the UFC, and also acquiring the naming rights of the Staples Center in Los Angeles, which has now been renamed to Crypto.com Arena. Its rewards program was also highly regarded, and the major reductions on returns have led to somewhat of an exodus of users. Investors were highly critical of the move on social media, and their frustration has resulted in an enormous price drop for CRO, whilst other similar spend and earn projects have in turn witnessed large surges, most notably Pluton with its native Plu token rising from as little as $6 to more than $15 since Crypto.com's announcement. Whilst Crypto.com's decision was made according to the company with the interest of long-term sustainability, it might actually have an adverse effect, with investors speaking with their feet and withdrawing funding from the platform and its native token. Now you can expect that the bleeding will continue moving forward, and a further drastic drop could well be experienced on June 1 when those changes officially come into effect. So, what do you think of the changes from Crypto.com in relation to their rewards program? Let us know in the comments, and of course don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to press that bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. For more information, just head across to the website, kalkinemedia.com. I'm James, reporting for Kalkine.